Welcome back everyone. Today I want to review with you a new Baseus power bank product. It's very similar to the MagSafe power bank that I've reviewed recently. This one has bigger capacity, but also it comes with the advantage of doubling as a stand, so it's actually perfect for your work setup. Similar to the other power bank I just reviewed, this one gets identified by iPhone 12, 13 and hopefully iPhone 14 very soon as a MagSafe accessory. So you turn on here and slap it on the magnet, is going to identify it as a MagSafe charger. Charging speed is very similar to the other model, so if you start at 30% and leave it for 30 minutes, you're going to hit around 52%. And give you a look of how, give you a view of how it looks on standing. It's probably tricky to do on this camera angle, but here you go. Other advantages of this power bank is the display that shows you the amount of charge in the power bank, but also when it's fast charging. So actually now it's fast charging the iPhone wirelessly. Another benefit is the USB-C, so it can also charge your other devices via USB-C, but also it charges itself via this port, and it supports fast charging as well. So here you have it, the 2-in-1 MagSafe power bank and stand from Baseus. Here is a demo, MagSafe demo one more time. As usual, the product link is in the description. Hit me up in the comments if you have any questions about this product.